Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm talking about the very best protein vegan cookie that's low calorie. I researched the internet to find a cookie like this, and I found it was Smart for Life. I reached out and they sponsored this video so I can tell you why I love them so much. Most Americans would say their favorite cookie is a chocolate chip. Well, this vegan chocolate chip is a great thing to pack in kids' lunches and for you to take to work and eat at your desk. Or if you happen to work at home, have it with a cup of coffee. Because since I've been on this diet, this is what I want for breakfast. A very healthy chocolate chip cookie with my coffee. That's heaven to wake up to. I got these sent to my door. They came in these boxes. This is the vegan chocolate chip box. In the box, there's 12 vegan chocolate chip cookies, a whole dozen. I opened the box and they're all individually wrapped, which is fabulous because they stay really fresh that way. They're really thick. This chocolate chip cookie, when I break inside, you can see it has a chewy texture and it is rich with flavor. It is a vegan plant-based protein in it. It's naturally preserved and it's made with a sesame seed butter and vegan chocolate chips. And the protein is a gluten-free garbanzo fava flour. It has some brown sugar and puff quinoa in it, and that gives it some crunch, as well as some soy crisps. And of course some baking powder for a real cookie flavor and feel. It's a marvelous cookie. I love it for my weight loss. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been losing pounds lately. I've lost about 10 pounds in 6 months, and Smart for Life is one of my tricks on my diet. It fills me up with health ingredients, which is a quality way to nourish my body as I enjoy what I'm eating. Oh, let's talk about the red velvet white chocolate chip cookie. I get these by the box too. It comes with 12 cookies in the box. Both the red velvet white chocolate chip cookie and the chocolate chip cookie has only 110 calories, 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and you don't have to be following a vegan diet to enjoy these. Anybody would, and anybody would enjoy the health benefits of these cookies. The fiber in these cookies are both soluble and insoluble, so it makes you feel full with a natural, good-for-you fiber. And when you're on a diet, you need a metabolism booster, and these cookies have it. You need to have the energy and to keep on chugging to get through the things you need to do in life without feeling you're on a diet. These are delicious too in the morning or anytime. I love the white chocolate chips in there. It really feels special to me to know I'm on a diet, yet I'm eating white chocolate. And the white chocolate is a non-GMO vegan white chocolate chip. And it too is made with gluten-free garbanzo bean fava flour. You might say, Rebecca, which one's your favorite? Well, that's hard to say. Chocolate chip has a little more crunch to it. It's a little lighter in the recipe, a little lighter feeling of a cookie. The red velvet white chocolate chip is a bit denser. It has a little more texture and chew than the chocolate chip cookie, which has the crunch. I know Smart for Life for their banana cookie they have. It is not a vegan cookie because it has eggs in it. It's a basic milk, egg, and organic whey cookie that is delicious. You can taste the crunch of the brown rice crisps in there. It's not nuts, it's brown rice. That is so healthy. I am just delighted for what Smart for Life has put together with really healthy snacks, and I consider these breakfast bar types of meals beyond just a cookie. You'll always feel good having these around the house for your kids and for yourself. Maybe next to your bedside too, for a little late night snack. Click the link below to get any of these cookies from Smart for Life and see all their other products too. They have a whole grocery store of healthy products, some for weight loss, some for soups, snacks, all kinds of things. It's an amazing company. They are so into the type of food development with what we know we need to eat today. Everything in their products is healthy, naturally based, and delicious. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like recipes to lose weight, eat gluten-free, eat higher protein, eat more healthy with Smart for Life. I think I deserve a little cookie break right now. If you like this video on really healthy eating, check out these two. They're in the same genre.